In a significant judgment, the Supreme Court has held that when cross FIRs are registered, that is, when both parties in a dispute file criminal complaints against each other, it is not legally correct for the police or courts to quash one FIR while allowing the other to be investigated. This ruling came from a bench comprising Justice Dipankar Datta and Justice Manmohan, who emphasized that the objective of any criminal investigation is the discovery of truth, and that can only happen through a fair, balanced, and complete probe. The case before the court arose from a situation in Delhi where two parties had filed cross FIRs against each other. One party's FIR was quashed by the Delhi High Court, effectively allowing only the other side's version of events to be investigated. The aggrieved party, whose FIR was quashed, approached the Supreme Court seeking redress. The Supreme Court found that the High Court had erred in dismissing one complaint while letting the other continue, especially when both were directly connected to the same incident and contained conflicting allegations. Reversing the High Court's decision, the Supreme Court reinstated the quashed FIR and directed that both FIRs should be investigated in parallel. The court also added that if the matter leads to trials, they should be conducted by the same judge to avoid contradictory outcomes. This ensures not just fairness in procedure but also consistency in the eventual findings. The Supreme Court also referred to its earlier judgment in Nathilal versus State of UP from 1990, where it had held that cross cases must be tried together by the same judge. In its latest ruling, the court has extended that principle to the investigation stage as well, making it clear that a comprehensive and unified investigation is necessary when two parties accuse each other in cross cases. Let me tell you, cross FIRs are a common occurrence in real life disputes, be it neighborhood clashes, business disagreements, family feuds, or street altercations. Investigating only one side creates an uneven playing field and many lead to injustice. The court has strongly reiterated that every version of events must be examined, especially when both sides are accusing each other of wrongdoing.